All right, hi, it's Jeff from RV Diagnostics showing you this old baby here. It's on a P30 chassis GM workhorse. Of course, it's low mileage. It's got some problems, but we got to get it past Maryland State inspection. Today, we're going to do one part of it, is the exhaust. It's called over the axle pipe. I'm going to put you on pause, get down there, and show you what's going on. Okay, as you can see, I already started on it. Actually, the over axle is good. It's the back part. I had to take that off. A couple little hose clamps right there, right? And that's just a mess, okay? It's leaking. So what I'm gonna do is cut it right here fresh, clean it up. Cut it here fresh, clean it up. And I'm gonna put these parts on. I try to get a pipe that was inside diameter, 3-inch right here. That means inside ID. This is an IDOD. So that's the part number, 52314. All right. And this is the sleeve. So it's a 41812 Napa part. That is going to go on here. All right, let's see. There you go. All right, there you go. And then this part, that's a 3-inch ID. We'll go over one of them pipes. So first I got to mark it. And I'll measure this. I think it's 20 inches. Don't get me lying. It's on here somewhere. 21 inches. All right. All right. So 3-inch system, GM workhorse, the old 454, big old girl. All right. So let me get to work. Remember, I'm going to cut it, clean it up, and I'll show you the end results of that task. And then we'll go from there. Yes, once again, you catch me laying down on the job. All right, this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics doing a little bit of exhaust dirty work. Don't do your dirty work no more. Whoa. Anyway, all right, take care. Safe travels. May your campfires burn bright.